Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to English class. So I come back to give another wonderful lesson, that is a trip to Andaman. So as we know, Andaman is one of the place in India, and also it is a wonderful visiting place also. Okay, let us see what is this Andaman trip, who went there and how they enjoyed. And before we are going to lesson, you can also observe some of the pictures related to lesson. Let me point out some of the pictures. See this. This is the one of the picture, and these all the pictures related to lesson. Now you can imagine how the lesson is going to wonderful. Okay, let us see. This lesson is a reading A from Unit 5. As we know, we had finished 4 units along with all readings. So today we are going to discuss reading A from Unit 5, a trip to Andaman. Let us start our lesson. A trip to Andaman. Okay. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Okay, have you seen this picture? Yes. What do you see in the picture? Obviously, easily find it and answer that is a beach area. People are enjoying. Have you ever been to see a beach? If yes, which beach did you go to? So if you visited any beach, you can give a name of the beach. What do you guess this lesson is going to talk about? So what is your guess? Obviously, it is a one of the trip. The lesson is going to discuss one of the trip. What are the word Andaman? So Andaman is a one of the place in India, and bring to your mind, share your thought with our classmates. If it is possible, you can discuss about this lesson with your friends. Okay, so these are some of the glossary I have given here, but they are very useful in the lesson. Let us see in lesson. Okay, this is a pre-reading. Read the following essay and answer the questions that follow. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. So we had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. So one thing we have to remember here. So this is one of the trip someone had visited. Someone had gone to this trip to Andaman. So all the trip or all the lesson, I am going to imagine myself as a poet. Okay, wherever you see we or I just imagining as I. So you also imagine you had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. Let us see. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. It means I had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. Once upon a time, I had visited a Andaman in one of the trip, and that made it possible for us during the last summer holidays. So it is possibly happened in summer holidays. Usually we get holidays in summer. Soon after the examinations were over, mom made preparations for the trip. So usually mothers do all the preparations for our need. At the same time, for me, my mother arranged all the preparations for this trip. On the 25th of April, so you can remember the date, 25th of April, exactly this month. We took the Pinokini Express from Vijayawada to Vijayawada and reached Chennai Central by 1 p.m. So Pinokini Express, they catch the Pinokini Express to reach Chennai Central by 1 p.m. It was started from Vijayawada and ended up with Chennai by 1 p.m. After lunch, we hired a taxi for the port. Then, after we arrived there, immediately we took lunch and we hired a taxi for the port. So, there is a taxis for rent. We can go through the city by this taxi. So, we hired a taxi for the port. So, you can also see that this is the port and another picture, sea route from Chennai to Port Blair. Okay, so you can also notice whenever the places indicate in this lesson. In the evening, we boarded a ship for Port Blair. Okay, immediately when I told you it appears here. In the evening, we boarded a ship for Port Blair. Immediately, they started from Chennai to Port Blair. So they arrived to Port Blair, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So what is the Port Blair? It is also a place. It is a capital place of Andaman Nicobar. So Andaman Nicobar is one of the island. These two are islands. The ship looked much bigger than our school building. Okay, so this is a comparison. This ship where they travel, that ship is looked much bigger than our school building. So this is very bigger than our school. It had 4 stories. Stories in the sense stairs. How we built long or stairs up to building. At the same time, the ship has also a stairs. You can see in the picture stair 1, 2, 3. The same time, 4 stairs. So obviously that ship is very large, very big size. It set out after sounding a long horn. So set out, it stops. It set out after sounding a loud horn. So it has a horn. By avoiding the people, it just release a sound. After that, it set out. People who had come to see off their friends and relatives cheered them up by waving their hands. So when people meet face to face or directly, they each other just raise their hand and waving their hand just like a both hands together joints, just giving a relative cheer them up waving their hands. This is an indication of just like a greetings or simply say hi. So people who had come to see off their friends and relatives cheered them up by waving their hands. My sister Amala and I too waved our hands while mom and dad smiled at us. So whenever I see among the people around the people, I too do the same with my sister. So whenever while we are doing this, mom and dad just smile at us. Tall buildings, cell towers and factory chimneys began to vanish gradually. So the ship has been started journey while it was crossing each bit for that speed. Tall buildings, cell towers, factories, chimneys. So usually this chimney gets from the factory. So all these places began to vanish gradually. It was disappearing. So when you start your journey going on to see all of them disappear. After a while, the twinkling lights of Chennai bade us farewell. So at finally, when it reaches to middle of the sea, Chennai bade us. So lights of the Chennai streets, obviously, it was a fade us. Farewell means giving a send off. It was not appearing as well. Soon, everything around us began to look dark and calm, but inside the ship, it was all bright and beautiful. So, outside places all are disappearing and brighten off. Lights are disappearing, but our ship is very bright now because of this ship was very decorated with the lights. That too, this is a night journey. When we closed the windows and doors of our cabin, we did not feel the movement of the ship. When you can also imagine when you are going to ship through the ship or any train or any other vehicle, when you close your doors and if you are in a nap or sleeping position, you could not imagine that is a traveling vehicle. At the same time, they also felt that when they closed the doors of our cabin, we did not feel the movement of the ship. On the second day, we came to know that we were in the middle of the sea. So they just took a nap, and after that, they wake up and see next day we came to know that we were in the middle of the sea. So almost one day they journeyed to reach middle of the sea. The weather was pleasant on the sea. So in the sea, on the sea, the weather was very pleasant. The day was sunny and the sea was reflecting the clouds like a flat mirror. Okay, see that the day was sunny. It was a summer. So sun is growing up, giving a bright shade, and sea was reflecting the clouds. So for that reflection, the water can show you a clouds like a flat mirror. We saw dolphins swimming along the ship. So it is a big sea. So they can also see swimming dolphin swimming along the ship. When ship is going moving, dolphins also swimming along with the ship. They sprang and dived again and again. So you can also see this type of scene in movies. Dolphins are very intelligent species. They can do whatever you repeat. So they also come along with the ship and sprang and they spinning and dived again and dive again. This is the process of dolphins. They enjoyed with the people. It was quite amusing by seeing this scenery. He was quite, quite amusing. He was very happy and interesting. I was curious to know what other people were doing on the ship. Now I was very curious because we are enjoying, but I was very curious to know what other people were doing on the ship. So what about other people, whether they are enjoying or what they are, whether they are sleeping? So I would like to see them. So I went around. I saw some watching films and some others eating and drinking in the restaurants. So remaining people are doing these all things. So see that some watching films, some others eating and drinking in the restaurants. So in the ship there is a restaurant. There is a restaurant. People eating and drinking in the restaurant. A few were buying things in the fancy store. So not only restaurant, fancy stores also in the ship. I was surprised to see some in a saloon getting their hair cut. So obviously it is a surprise. Usually when we started to journey or trip, we went to saloon before we are going to trip. But I was very surprised to see some of the people get to saloon their haircut in ship. The medical staff was busy treating the patients suffering mostly from seasickness. Okay, you know that some people could not get well by traveling bus or vehicles. At the same time, some vomiting sensation they get. At the same time, some patients suffering mostly from seasickness. So, the medical staff was very busy to treating such type of patients. The sanitary workers were on their job of keeping the cabins, corridors, and toilets neat and clean. So these sanitary workers, we can also remember in this COVID situation, their role is very key role. So these sanitary workers were on their job on keeping the cabins, corridors, and toilets neat and clean. That is their duty. They keep on doing. The crew of the ship was very friendly and courteous. So the crew, a group of people in the ship, the crowd or a group of people of the ship was very friendly. So whoever you meet, they are very friendly and courteous, very kindness with you. There is no impatience. Whatever you ask, they patiently answer to you. They gladly answer all my queries about the ship. So he is a little boy. He has a lot of questions about the places and the ship. So without hesitating, they keep on very gently. They are answering all the questions to about the ship to that boy. Okay, let us see some more. It was the third day, so 2 days has been passed. It was the third day. Early in the morning, mom woke us up to show the magnificent spectacles of the dawn at the sea. So one of the wonderful picture that is a spectacles of the dawn at the sea. So spectacles of the dawn in the sense through the glasses they can see everything. That is one of the wonderful place. Mother is showing to us after 2 days we reached Port Blair. So see that it is a very long journey by port, by ship. So we reached Port Blair after 2 days. Dad, do you have any idea about these islands and the people who live there? I asked. So I asked Dad this question. Have you any idea about these islands and the people who live there? Dad answered me, I know a little. There are about 600 islands. So 600 islands. So in Andaman, there are 600 islands are there. They are located between India's coast and Myanmar. So they are located between India and Myanmar. So in these two countries, between these two countries, they are located. Only 37 of them are inhabited. So only among around 6 637 only inhabited. People are living there. Inhabited means people are living in 37 places. They have plant, animal, and marine life in abundance. So these places are specially abundance. So special marine life, animal, and plant. So there is no not for special people, but special for animals, marine life in abundance. We learned that the inhabitants of the islands were the Aboriginal tribes. Actually, we have learned so by observing and asking someone. So I have learned that that is these lands are only for Aboriginal tribes. Aboriginal tribes means they are originally giving birth in their place. So those Aboriginal tribes. Some of them lived far away from the civilized society. Despite this, the islands today look like a miniature India. So these islands are very magnificent and signified to India today also. We saw people of different languages, cultures, and faiths living together happily. So we know India is a democracy as well as a systematic country. So that is a unified country. So there is a people of different languages, cultures, and faiths living together happily. So we visited a famous national monument, the Cellular Jail. We learned that the Cellular Jail was built by the British. So this Cellular Jail is was built by the British. It was no longer a jail. It had been converted into a big hospital. So by the time that is a jail, but it was converted into a hospital now. Okay. Next one, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. So this is a national park. We can also recollect whatever you visited national parks. So see that after a while we reached an exciting place, the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. So after a while they reached the park was spread over a wide area of 15 islands. So among 600, 15 islands are covered by this park. Open creeks running through the park area were a special attraction. So open creeks, these all species running through the park area, and also while we are going, some of the bushes and other type of plants seems this type of scenery is very wonderful. We watched coral reef, fishes of different colors, and sea turtles through glass bottomed boats. So we have seen this type of videos number of times. We can also see wild animals, but behind a mirror. Those animals also behind the mirror, and also they are wandering in water, but we can touch them through the glass, so you can feel them. At the same time, they are also watching such type of places, boats. For some time, we felt ourselves as a part of them. At the same time, when we are watching them, we felt like we are also very close to such type of animals. Amala and I cheered the fish and turtles. So they just cheered by their hands to the fish touched. We traveled by a ferry from Port Blair to a place called Havelock Island. So we traveled by a ferry. So this is one of the traveling for from Port Blair to a place called Havelock Island. So next place is Havelock. The ferries carry people, vehicles, and goods. We enjoyed pani puri, samosas, and garam chai during the ferry journey. So these pani puris and samosas never leave us. These two or garam chai also available there. So see that next one, Havelock Island. A majestic lighthouse greeted us on our arrival at the Havelock Island. We felt as if the sandy beaches and the greenish blue sea were warmly welcoming us. So you can see these are the pictures. We arrived to Havelock Island. We enjoyed very much sandy beaches and greenish blue. Sea were warmly welcome us. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. Basking in the sense they freely lying on the floor because of they need to get the sunlight. We saw tourists enjoying swimming in the sea and riding on elephants. See this picture, and silky sands, foaming tides, and cool breeze of the sea attracted us very much. So silky sands, foaming tides, and cool breeze of the sea attracted us very much. These are the interesting places by them. We took a lot of pictures of the beautiful scenery. And also you can remember whenever you go, there are a lot of selfies and individual photos and pictures. We have been getting it. At the same time, they are also getting a lot of pictures. And next place is scuba diving. So number of times you have listened this word scuba diving. So see the picture. This is the scuba diving. We visited the beach called Elephant Beach. To our amazement, we saw some swimmers diving into the sea from the motorboats. So this is the motorboat, just like a get into the sea from the motorboat. They were dressed in a different way. This way, they put mask on their faces and carried air cylinders on their backs. So see this. I asked Dad, why are the swimmers diving into the sea? Dad replied, they want to watch the coral reefs, beautiful curdled fishes, and sea turtles. They stay for a long time beneath the sea and swimming along with them. It is called scuba diving. So this is the explanation for scuba diving, where and how they swim. The scuba diving filled my heart with a spirit of adventures. So when I see this scuba diving, I was very much amused and feel like this was an adventure. I wanted to do that. So it was filled all of with my heart. I wish I could do it. So he is hoping that I wanted to do that. Next one, elephant ride on the beach. Elephant ride on the beach. Okay, see that. Lastly, we visited Radhanagar beach. It was a beautiful place with white sand and a thick green forest along the coastline. Okay, see that this is a white beach along with the coastal hills are there. So coastline, along with the coastline, we saw a man riding an elephant. So one person lead the elephant. People are riding on the elephant. He offered rides on payment. So they we have to pay for enjoyment or ride on the elephant. My sister Amala and I enjoyed a jolly ride on the elephant. We both of them enjoyed that ride on the elephant. We tasted delicious tandoori fish and other seafoods on the island. So there is a special food, delicious food that is a tandoori fish and other seafoods on the island. My mouth still waters when I remember those moments. Okay, whenever I recollect those food items where we tasted there, My mouth was watering. So still I feel like that. I feel the taste when I remember those moments. I cherish the memory of the great fun we had. So I was very happy to have such type of memory of the great fun we had done at Andaman Nicobar. I will never forget my trip to Andaman. So I enjoyed a lot in Andaman Nicobar. I never forget this trip. I ever forget it. I always remember this trip because of I enjoyed a lot. So this is all about our lesson. What is the lesson? A trip to Andaman. Okay. Thank you one and all. I hope you enjoy this lesson